William came in to get cold laser on his left hip. William, tell everybody what the pain was like before you came in and what you were going through.
Well, I'm 57 years old and I was moving around like an 80-year-old. Very, very limited movement and very, very painful. I was given the option by my medical doctor of either getting the hip replaced or just consistent cortisone injections. And so I heard about the cold laser therapy treatment and did some research on my own, and my wife was already coming here. I gave it a shot, and I can say I'm 9 treatments in, and I'm not quite ready to kick field goals yet, but I am moving around. It is like night and day.
That's awesome. How much better would you say percentage-wise in just those 9 treatments?
70.
God, that's amazing.
70, maybe 80, you know,
Yeah.
in that area. Yeah.
You were hurting pretty good when you came in.
I was hurting pretty bad.
Yeah.